Imagine you have a farmland lease and a problem arises, perhaps with maintenance or a payment. You have tried talking it through, but the issue just will not budge. It is frustrating, right? You might be wondering, what can you actually do when direct conversations are not enough? When informal attempts to resolve farmland lease problems fail, your legal recourse generally involves a tiered approach starting with formal communication, moving to alternative dispute resolution methods like mediation, and potentially escalating to litigation or arbitration, as outlined in your specific lease agreement. The goal is to enforce the terms of your contract or seek compensation for damages caused by a breach. The specific path you take hinges significantly on the details of your lease contract and the nature of the unresolved issue. Many well-drafted farmland leases include clauses for dispute resolution, often mandating mediation or arbitration before any court action. Mediation involves a neutral third party helping both sides reach a mutually agreeable solution without making a binding decision. Arbitration, on the other hand, also uses a neutral third party, but that person or panel hears evidence and issues a binding decision that both parties must follow. If these methods are not stipulated or fail, then either party might consider formal legal action, which typically means filing a lawsuit in civil court to seek a judgment. This process relies on legal principles like contract law to interpret the lease and determine if a breach occurred. To pursue resolution effectively, start by thoroughly reviewing your written lease agreement. Identify the exact clauses related to the problem and any dispute resolution procedures outlined. Next, gather all relevant documentation, including copies of communications, photographs, financial records, and any evidence of the issue at hand. Consider sending a formal written notice to the other party, clearly detailing the problem, referencing the lease terms, and proposing a specific resolution or outlining your intent to pursue further action. If direct negotiation or this formal notice does not work, exploring mediation is often the next step before considering more formal litigation or arbitration. Remember that the statute of limitations, which is the time limit for bringing a lawsuit, varies by state and type of claim. Missing this deadline could forfeit your right to pursue the claim entirely. Also, understanding the concept of specific performance, where a court might order a party to fulfill their contractual obligations rather than just paying damages, can be a powerful tool in certain disputes. Always seek advice from a qualified legal professional specializing in agricultural or real estate law. They can help you navigate the complexities and understand the potential outcomes specific to your situation, often saving you time and resources in the long run. Understanding your legal recourse means you are empowered to protect your investment and maintain clear, fair agreements. By knowing the steps from negotiation to potential litigation, and understanding the importance of your lease document, you can approach any unresolved issues with confidence and work towards a solution that upholds your rights and promotes a healthy, productive farmland lease relationship.